Do you have chronic cough after an infection? Do you think you are still infected? Are you shopping doctors and going from one place to another and you're getting multiple courses of antibiotics? Do you think you're still infected? Chronic cough happens after a viral infection, and this is secondary to inflammation, and the infection is gone. Your airways are still irritable and they're producing a lot of phlegm. What do you need? You need inhalers. Now, there is a lot of worry in the patients when I talk about inhalers. Are they safe? Do I have asthma? Will I get dependent? So think of inhalers as an inflammatory cream for your lungs. It is very, very low dose, which works locally inside the lungs, just suppresses the inflammation. You do not get hooked to it unless you have history of asthma and you need it multiple times. But it is known as post-viral bronchitis. It is very common. Use of inhaled corticosteroid inhalers are the best part of treatment. Do not repeat courses of antibiotics. It is very detrimental for your gut and your resistance.